What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, man. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chill Will, and I post style, streetwear, and fashion content with gym content on the side on this page. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got a mini clothing haul from a place that y'all could probably tell by now that I like to order from a lot. We got a mini clothing haul from Boohooman. Like I said, this is a small clothing haul. They had a sale the other day, so I said might as well spend some money, pick up a few pieces of clothing, but nothing too crazy. In this video, y'all know what I do with my hauls, man. I'm gonna let y'all know how long shipping took, the prices of each piece that I got, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looked on me. And y'all just gonna let me know how I feel about it. So with saying that, before we get into the video, you already know the deal. Like this video up to help me in the algorithm. Go down in the comments and comment Boohooman, sponsor your boy, find a way to get Boohooman to watch this video, because like I said, I order from them a good amount of times and I like their clothing, you know what I'm saying? So I would love to get a sponsor from them. So try to find a way to comment down below so they can watch this video. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel, because we gonna keep growing. Even if we growing slowly but surely, we gonna keep grinding, we gonna keep growing until we hit the big goal, 10K, and the overall big goal, 1 million subscribers. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. That'll be in the corner of the screen and a link tree in the description below. But that's enough talking, man. Let's get into the haul. Let's go. All right, so before I show y'all the clothes and all that stuff, I'm gonna just let y'all know, like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna let y'all know the price, the size I got, all that type of stuff, and my height, my weight, all that type of stuff, and the pricing. And I'm gonna pop up a picture of each piece next to me as well. So yeah, with saying that, let's get into the first piece. All right, y'all, so the first piece we got today is a pair of cargo pants. As you can see up here, they're like, I can't remember the exact name of them. Y'all see the picture up there, but they're dark gray cargo pants with the bungee cord around the ankles. At first I didn't realize that until like I got them today, but I'm not really tripping about the bungee cord at the bottom anyways. I kind of like that look, so it don't really matter. I got these to match my New Balance 2002 Rs. That y'all probably haven't seen that video, go check that out. But yeah, I know they have a little bit of gray, like different shades of gray in them, so I was hoping this matches them. I'm not gonna lie, from the first look at them, they're giving like a bluish color, but we'll see how they look with the shoes. I have to take them out, but yeah, this is what they're looking like. They got the pockets. They just got one side of pockets right here, and then they got the regular pockets on the side. Going down to the bottom, they do have a wide, like a baggy fit bottom, which I like. They didn't come already scruffled up, but they do have the little bungee cord right here that you can tighten them. Like I said, I like that, because depending on the shoes you have on, you bungee at the bottom with these. They look really good with like foam runners or something like that. So yeah, as you guys see, these ran me $24. They were on sale. And before y'all get into all of this, Boohooman, the quality of a lot of their stuff, overall, of all the stuff I've ever ordered from them, is an 8.5 out of 10. Not terrible. Like, they have really good quality in my opinion. Everyone knows Boohooman is fast fashion, which means, you can get a nice, a good amount of like things for a cheap price, as well as like a lot of trending items. They're better than Shein. Sorry, Shein, but they're better than Shein, and they're up there with like Fashion Nova and Boohooman are around the same level. So you know the quality ain't gonna be nothing like Gucci or all this type of stuff, but it's really good quality for things. These are $24 cargos. A lot of cargos nowadays, you get them for $60, $70. So like I said, the quality on these pants specifically feel really good. But overall, it's a 8.5 out of 10. Pricing, I already went over pricing, and then shipping for all of the stuff I'm gonna show you on this video today was about no more than 4 to 5 days. I'm pretty sure I ordered this last Thursday. Today is Monday, March 20th. Yeah, March 20th, and I ordered these whatever last Friday or Thursday was, one of them days, and they came today. So mind you, it said 5 to 8 days standard shipping. That's what I did. And for it to only get here in like 4 to 5 days, and that's including like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, like the weekend, shipping was really, really good. 10 out of 10 shipping. They always get their stuff on time. I've only had one bad experience with Boohoo, and that was around Christmas, so it's the holiday, so you really can't blame them. But yeah, that's enough talking for the first thing. Let me show y'all how it looks on me. Let's go. Alright, y'all, for the second thing we got today, I actually ordered a full tracksuit from Boohooman. As y'all can see, the picture is right there. This ran me $30. I couldn't pass on this, because a lot of tracksuits, bro, go from like $80 to like $200 for a full tracksuit. So for them to have a full tracksuit for $30, and there's stacks at the bottom. If y'all don't know what stacks are, they're kind of like the over elongated sweatpants that stack over your shoes. For them to have this for 30 bucks, y'all know I had to cop. So I got this like olive green color with the B on it. I don't know what it stands for, probably Boohooman's brand or whatever, but you know, I just wanted it because it looks really cool. By the way, I didn't tell y'all how tall I am and all that, right? I'm 5'6". Right now I'm 175. I'm a muscular build, as y'all can probably tell from all my videos and if y'all follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. So you know, I did get a, let me check real quick what size I got for them cargos before I get back into this. For the cargos, I did get a medium. Forgot to tell you about that, sorry. And for this tracksuit, I think I got a medium as well. Let me check the tag. Yes, I did get a medium. And this is how it's looking. This quality of this is actually very, very good. This is how the hoodie is looking. It's just a green, olive green hoodie with the B on it. The B is like stitched on. This hoodie feels great. Not gonna lie, like it feels really good. I thought it was gonna be a different material, but it feels really, really good. And then here's the pants. The pants are the same. It has the B right here all the way to the bottom, and the bottom are like flared. You can tell they're a little bigger than, you know, most things are. Like I said, they're the stack type pants. Overall, fire look. Yeah, that's the price, the shipping, how it looks. Let me show y'all how it looks on me. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm still getting, I don't know, I've been doing this for a while, but I'm still getting over my, like, what's the word? Like, not stage fright, but camera fright or camera shyness or whatever. Y'all know, y'all probably looking at me like, bro, you've been doing this for a minute. You need to get right. It's just, I'm just not used to, like, you know, talking to the camera, especially me being in my room, knowing that I got people in my suite. Like I said, I'm in college, and people in my suite above me and next to me, and they probably hear me talking to my YouTube, like, talking to y'all. They probably like, bro, what? Like, what's going on? He talking to himself, because I got my own room, so sorry about that. But, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, like I said, make sure to leave a like, comment, Boohooman down below, sponsor your boys, stuff like that. Try to get them to sponsor me. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel, because we on the road to the big goal, you know what I'm saying, 10K, and the overall big goal, 1 million subscribers. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, link tree in the description, and the link to Boohooman's website will be down below. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all in the next one.